need to have in there. From Nepal, definitely need to have in there. Okay, moving on to number 4. Here's your picture that goes along with it. This is the southern part. Is there another plateau in the southern part? Yes, sir. Yeah, no, coast, right, coast, east coast, west coast of the United States are looking by the water, so they're looking on the water.
Oh, no, So you gotta answer your Alright, looks like most people are pretty well done with number 4, so let's answer these. What is the name of the plateau covering most of southern India? Katie? You haven't gotten there? Okay. Sophie, help her out. Say it loud and proud. What? The Deccan Plateau is how it's pronounced. Absolutely. And so, which 2 mountain ranges does this plateau lay between? Ellie? The Western and Eastern Ghats is how it's pronounced. G-H-A-T-S. And is this region of India more or less densely populated than India's coast? Remember, coasts are along the water. Lily? Less. Okay. Yes, that's correct. All right. Number 5. Here's our picture that goes along with this. Oh my God.
If you're ahead, then you need to help him. Because he's Okay, there's the ball chime with the right to bed. Okay, so it starts here and goes
I'm
That's a bat.
Okay, 5A. What is the name of the river that begins in the plateau of Tibet and empties into the South China Sea? Its mouth forms a huge delta in southern Vietnam. Katie.
The Mekong.
The Mekong River is absolutely correct. And how is the land used around the delta that is formed by this river? Timothy. 5B. How is the land used around the delta that is formed by this river? Subsistence farming, okay, and a little bit of commercial farming. And then 5C. Is this land more or less populated than the rest of Vietnam? Jalen? More populated, absolutely. Okay, let's stop here. If everybody can just pay attention, I want to kind of take a second and kind of talk big picture about what's going on in this region. We've seen where are the highest population densities for the most part in this.
On the coast.
In this. Where are the highest population densities, Wesley? Just in general, that you've seen so far, where are the highest population densities? In this area, so far, where are the highest population densities? Are they in the middle, in the mountains, along rivers, on the coasts? Where do you think they are?
Coast.
On the coast, right? Why do you think highest population densities are on the coast? And Nima?
Maybe it's services and goods.
Say it again.
Like maybe because of water, service, and goods.
Okay, water, services, and goods. I think I know where you're coming from. So why would services and goods cause high population density?
Because then people can trade and all that stuff, and then they can become rich.
Why does water help people trade?
Because ships can go by.
All right, there we go. So we're getting there. And we said that when you have goods and services, that means there's more factories and higher population densities in general. All right, but along rivers, why would there be higher population densities along rivers? Anna? She was just on her lining up outside, I believe. Okay. Sorry. Go ahead. Okay, it's easier for shipping. What else do we get from rivers that are extremely important? Two things that we use rivers for. Abby, give me one. Water. We use water in two ways is what I was going for. How do we use water? What do we use water for? Give me one way. Okay, well, transportation. That's one. Give me two more ways. Give me another way. Jalen. Drinking. We need water to drink. And then we just talked about this river and how they use the land around this river. Sean. Okay, that's not something I thought of. You're right. But with specifically the Mekong River, so many excited people, so I'm going to go with Hayden. Well, again, you're coming up with great ones, fishing, but think specifically. We just answered this question, Amy. Farming, right? We use farming, just like we talked about with the Arrow Sea the other day. Farming, we use it to irrigate crops, okay? So, rivers are really important to this region, and waterway in general have higher population densities. We talked about a lot of the economic activities that come around here. All right, very good, very good, very good. All right, number 6. Move on.
Yeah. Pay attention when I stop. I'll make sure
Wait a minute.
North of the plateau of Tibet. So right plateau of Tibet. Okay, what's north of it? It's a desert. Directly north of it. Okay, good job.
It says, I mean, economic
It's cold and economic activity. It's far north.
All right, number 6A. Number 6A. North of the plateau of Tibet is a desert. What is the name of that desert? Cedillo. Taklamakan Desert. Taklamakan Desert. And how densely populated? Densely populated. Let's see here. Nick. How densely populated is the Taklamakan Desert?
wait. Oh. Wait, what?
How densely populated is the Taklamakan Desert compared
Oh, it can be like that.
to eastern China?
Less than the eastern.
Okay, it's less than the eastern. So another thing, big picture, right? We've got two big deserts in Asia and a big mountain range. All of them have very low population densities, as we might expect. And then what resources are near the Taklamakan Desert? Arson. Backside, 6C.
Natural gas, petroleum.
Okay, natural gas, petroleum, and coal. Okay. 7. Most people are there. We'll give you about a minute for everybody else to start.
What is the name of the
I need help. I don't see the peninsula.
Okay, so what is the peninsula? What is it?
Where would it be?
Okay, what
It's a
is
south or
okay, first off, answer this question. What is the peninsula?
the peninsula
Yeah. It's a body of land surrounded by how many sides? 3 sides. Okay, so now we're looking for a body of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. We're looking for southernmost. Is this the north or the south? South. So which one is southernmost? Well, that's an island.